Yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited FC mobile points absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called appsnake.com. Let's click on FC mobile. It will load up, and then guys we will have to enter our FC mobile user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, guys, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your FC mobile, go to settings, and just make sure to copy your UID. Let's close the game and let's get back to our tool. Just make sure to paste it and click continue. So it will start searching for our user account. So guys, you should get this message, user found. So there we go. Now we will select all the additional our FC mobile points. So I will select almost 1 million. It's currently the maximum. Click continue, guys, and it will start connecting to the API. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more. So guys, let's see what we'll get now. And nice, look at this, guys. API is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get. Nice, guys, look at this. Thank you for passing the bot check. Your FC points are on the way. Our user ID connected and our points are sent. I'm so excited to open once again our FC mobile and to see is it actually working, guys. Let's see now. Is it actually working or no? So let's wait for this loading screen, guys, and then we will see is it actually working or no. I'm so excited because we got this successful screen. So oh my god, guys, look at this. We are actually getting our FC mobile points for free, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, appsnake.com works only amazing. And guys, I'm without words because I'm so excited. I cannot believe, guys, that it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.